Ready to discover the top 5 tricks to make him miss you all the time? If you're tired of playing guessing games, well, you've come to the right place. We're about to dive into the science of making him miss you, unraveling the psychology behind it, and exploring the dynamics that fuel desire. This isn't your everyday advice. We're talking about potent strategies backed by experienced dating coaches and proven through countless relationship success stories. These aren't just tips, they're game changers. Picture this. You're going about your day, and suddenly he can't stop thinking about you. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not a fantasy. It's a reality we're about to help you achieve. If you want him to miss you more than ever, you need to hear this. So, what are the top tricks to make him miss you? Let's find out. Our first trick is understanding his love language. Now, you might wonder, what on earth is a love language? Simply put, it's the unique way each person gives and receives love. There are 5 main love languages: words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts, quality time, and physical touch. Knowing his love language is like having a secret roadmap to his heart. If his love language is words of affirmation, heartfelt texts can make him miss you like never before. If it's acts of service, doing something thoughtful can make him long for your presence. If it's receiving gifts, a memorable token can stir up feelings of longing. If it's quality time, shared moments will linger in his mind. And if it's physical touch, even the memory of your touch can create a powerful longing. Our second trick is the power of absence. It may sound counterintuitive, but sometimes being away can make someone miss you even more. This is not about playing games or being manipulative. It's about understanding a fundamental human tendency. We tend to appreciate things more when we realize their value in their absence. It's important to maintain your own interests, hobbies, and life outside of your relationship. When you have a vibrant life outside of your partner, it not only makes you more interesting, but it also gives him the space to miss you. Think about it. A book is often more intriguing when we close it and let the story simmer in our minds. Similarly, when you're not always available, you become a story that he wants to keep reading. Our third trick is creating positive memories. Now, this one is quite fascinating. You see, our minds are wired to remember experiences that evoke strong emotions. So, when you create joyful, memorable moments with him, guess what? He's going to associate you with those feelings of happiness and excitement. It's all about making your time together count. It could be as simple as laughing together over an inside joke, or as grand as planning an unforgettable adventure. The key is to make these moments unique, something that only the two of you share. This doesn't mean you need to be constantly planning grand gestures. Just be present, be genuine, and strive to create positive experiences every time you're together. You'll be surprised at how quickly these memories accumulate, and before you know it, he'll be missing you and the wonderful times you've shared. Our fourth trick is the element of surprise. Now, you might be wondering, how does surprise fit into this equation? Well, it's pretty straightforward. The human brain craves novelty. It's wired to respond positively to unexpected events, and this is true in relationships as well. When you surprise your partner, you're essentially creating a sense of anticipation that keeps them on their toes, always looking forward to your next move. It could be as simple as switching up your routine, doing something new together, or even surprising him with a thoughtful gesture when he least expects it. This unpredictability can make you irresistible, and yes, make him miss you when you're not around. It's all about keeping things fresh and unpredictable. You're not just his partner, you're an adventure he never wants to end. Our final trick is maintaining your own identity. It might sound counterintuitive, but hear me out. The key to making him miss you lies not in becoming what you think he wants, but in being unapologetically you. There's a certain magnetism in a person who knows who they are and isn't afraid to show it. Now, this doesn't mean you shouldn't compromise or adapt in a relationship. It simply means that your core identity, your values, your passions should remain intact. Why? Because that's what makes you you. That's what he fell for in the first place. And that's what will make him yearn for your company when you're not around. Independence and self-confidence can be incredibly attractive. They show that you're content with yourself and your life, and that any relationship you're in is a choice, not a necessity. Before you go, here's some bonus advice. These techniques aren't about manipulation, but rather understanding the nuances of human behavior and connection. Their effectiveness lies in their adaptability. Each method can be tailored to fit any type of relationship, be it long-term or new, long distance or close proximity. But what about the risks or downsides, you ask? Well, the only risk here is not trying them out and missing the chance to strengthen your bond. And for more great dating tips and advice for women, check out this video where we packed some extra wisdom for you. Thanks for watching. See you there.